Yo, what is that? Let's take this lil guy home. Okay guys, I added him to my 3D printed things. By the way, I forgot to show y'all my new dragon egg. It's a little dragon. Okay, bye.